In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact YouTube TV billing support if you're experiencing issues with your subscription or payments. While YouTube TV doesn't provide a direct phone number for billing support, there are several ways to get help. Start by visiting the official YouTube TV Help Center online. From there, navigate to the Billing and Payment section, where you'll find answers to common questions like updating payment methods, disputing charges, or troubleshooting declined payments. If your issue isn't resolved, click on the Contact Us option. You'll be prompted to sign in to your account, after which you can describe your issue in detail using the provided form. Alternatively, open the YouTube TV app, go to Settings, Help, report a problem, and submit your billing concern directly through the app. For faster assistance, ensure you include details like your account email, screenshots of errors, or transaction IDs. If your billing issue involves Google's payment system, e.g. Google Play or Store, visit the Google Payment Support page for additional help. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to contact YouTube TV billing support, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.